Hey everybody, I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but I'm coming back with another one for you. This is a huge transformation. Normally this client gets a double process, all over bleach and tone. Yeah, and I didn't write her formula down, so we're just gonna wing it. So the highlights around her face are always going to be smaller than the ones in the interior of the whole look. I've recently started using the sheet foils that you normally use for cooking. I just find like that gives me more space to work with, so I'm not fighting with the foils. I am a messy painter, so I think it just works better for me. So she's probably at a level 6, 7, so I'm guessing this is a 7 or an 8 and 7 toner that I use to fill and drag down her natural base line, or base color, I should say. And I do apologize. I normally like to give y'all the formulas and the colors that I'm using. I'm pretty sure this is Rec and Shades EQ. And I don't know the formula per se, but I'm guessing it's like a 6 NB and maybe a 6C a drop of that. So that way, when you are coloring from blonde to a natural color, you have to fill in the tones that you've lost. So this is probably my favorite part about the whole process is taking the foils out. So after we rinsed her, I bring her back to the chair so I can do the color melt. I use 3 different formulas, a base color, transition shade, and then the overall toner for the blonde parts. So I'm guessing we use another 6 to deepen her base and blend through the mid shafts, and then a 7 and 8 in the mid shafts, and then a level 9 on the ends. And shout outs to my DJ. Happy birthday, Rocky. Thank you so much for my beats. Please send me the other ones. Don't hate me. And this is the final toner. Cannot tell you what it was. I'm probably guessing a 9N and 8GG. That sounds like something I would do because we wanted to go with something more natural and golden for her. As far as styling products go, I'm really simple. I use the Mazzani Miracle Milk. Um, has 25 benefits. Then I follow up with a little bit of mousse so that way her hair holds the curl and the style. And then we lock all the moisture and nutrients in with a serum, and it's a 10 frizz serum. And this is the final look. I hope you all enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.